Hi guys, Don here from Good Guys Gardening. Fall's here, so it's harvest time. Time to organize 20 people, all new sets of scissors, cook for everyone. But wait, we got a deal. We just picked up a Rolling Thunder trimmer. Instead of hiring 20 people, you can now run 20 pounds an hour. You guys with the big outdoor, this'll do it. And she runs on 120 volts. So you don't need the big power cord. And it's not just the trimmer. It comes complete. The vacuum recovery system. 1 horse industrial motor. It'll run on 120 or 240. You can run her on 120. It'll play well with this. It comes complete. All the suction hoses, the capture bags, all the clamps, even the manual and the spare parts. This is ready to go. Come and pick her up, set up. All you need is 2 or 3 people loading it, and you're ready to process 100, 200, 300 pound. So come on in and see us. We have a full line of used equipment. We have a full twister line if you'd rather go a different one. Come down anytime. Good Guys Gardening, 284 Mackenzie Avenue South, or you can hit us on the interweb, www.goodguysgardening.com. Come on down.